with your looks and as a Ghanaian actor. I know yeah, it be no a person Ghana for support too. When you've not supported the country in any way, you going for Kofi Kinata and even the choice of visuals you put in the song, a project. That's what I'm asking about Takra Day. Yes, a project, an aspect of our culture which it was missing until just about last 3 years.
Right.
Right. I'm a broth we. Baby free. So in Zania Mekano on say Senkagana for Almotunyumina. Yes, so now once in a while. Party has nothing to do with the pictures you projected. Now pictures how you see, you know. But Odiya and so far. Ontari Shemni Bibia, yes, you say Shemukra, a berry crabia now Brazil and Ghana made. Inti mebo about to keep it up and like you are saying, you don't need the sideline now. Anytime you drop a bit far, you see the energy behind it, and I'm happy to see senior man solidly behind you. Me senior man on the on kind
for a very long time.
More thing.
All right, so Adina, me sure say you know streaming platforms.
Question back answer mama nako. Osi we just a track on o album no. Album no nyum sen na beba so. Ena nyum na beba so no. Sese ye be senya Lovers Rock bi wom ana ye benya hip hop ana ye benya high life ana say ye benya mo afrobeat no ne wom ena ma say problem of the party day.
I think we have to hang on maybe a little bit more information. Okay, because me try reggae na fine. Me anka say reggae are there managing, but me reggae artist. And I feel said there be a many opportunity album. I'll try more things. Okay. Definitely there's reggae, but the twist with this time around is it has a feature with a reggae artist. Oriasimu.
Ofrigana ha.
Oriasimu.
Ofrigana ha.
In this world.
No, Ghana.
Ghana
Ghana.
And we also have
reggae artist bang.
Reggae artist no.
Charlie, I have to say send you we should be expecting somebody like
Stonebwoy.
Say Ghana ha. Stonebwoy ni na ye nyom dada. Inti no de say Ghana ha. No. I'll stick my neck out for Jalid because on no what's a man vibe no. And no that say Ghana. Ghana ha. We should be looking at maybe Movado.
Okay. So we there.
Movado.
All right. So now you be say about album no which songs, which type of songs? What kind reggae? So is there high life tune on it?
Yes, there's definitely high life. There's Afro vibes.
Okay.
Title near Afro glow. So it's to just project and celebrate our Africanness and being from Ghana. And the daily video now starting. Okay. So that's what we're doing. We're projecting and celebrating.
Next year.
Yes, early next year. First quarter. Yeah.
The first quarter, maybe
January, February, March.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. See platforms. Maybe streaming you. Baby, party Adina featuring Kofi Kinata.
And as I say, video no so about out. Okay. They na abante ne kan so person who had the cry. Mr. Munko YouTube no Munko. Yeah, easy.
Tony, on say as at this time so my Kofi Kinata mfa nyum bia mai.
Yeah.
And I keka kone ono ane birthday so.
Yeah.
Bro nya no Takra Day.
Yeah.
And Adina ne Kofi Kinata aye nyum ba ko aba. So what are you thinking?
What else?
On say bronya no be
na just say.
Aha. All right. So
Adina you better say. Say to me pass it through na then you can you say what has be support your works and yet the first time I hear BBC. Oh as always you be boa. Na and you say to me do level per se do. Now you hope say let's take Ghana Music Awards. I'm sure this song will get somewhere. Between your BB.
Amen.
Yeah, between your BB. Was it to me your BB? All right, so thanks for coming through.
Thanks for having me. Thank you guys so much for the support always. Catch up.